saw them sing, you saw them perform, you saw them face off. And after a super successful run-up of all the acts, here we are at the final episode of CTC 2016. In the last episode, you saw Amlan and Gaurav take the stage to fight it out in the final round of the music category. And the judges were quite impressed with both. But who will win the trophy? And the winner of the music category in CTC 2016 is Amlan Chakrabarti of Aditya Birla Financial Services Group, Mumbai. Congratulations! And now, let's move on to our final category, the group dance category, where you will see the electrifying energy and teamwork at its best. We begin with the best of face-off round. The format of the face-off round is similar to the other categories. So, let's move on to the face-off.
So let's keep twisting and dancing as we move on to our first group dance act. Coming up first are the groups Bhangra Beats of HCL Technologies Limited, Delhi, Future Group from Future Group, Mumbai, and of course Confusion Crew from QA Infotech, Delhi. But for now, let's take a look at their power play points so that we know how much power they need to make and push to get into the final. 8-8 at 8.
We all are, flavors of mix and match of dancers of different flavors, and CTC is all about challenging your comfort zone. I gave my heart and soul, but I couldn't make it to finale till Mumbai. And this year is the time to make my father proud. So, yeah, I am gonna win this competition.
It's a very good opportunity for all of us to come onto the stage and perform, and we are really feeling great to be on the finals. Bach ke rehna! Future Group
CTC has come to us like a bonus, which has given us the opportunity to come out of the campus of the corporate. We are craving hard days and night to, compete amongst the other very good and grand teams which has come from the other areas.
कल सुबह सोचेंगे जो आज रात किया, कल सुबह गिन लेंगे सारी गलतियां। तू मेरा अभी हो जाना अजनबी, फिर हम मिलेंगे ना कभी।
कभी तू कहे तो जान दे दूं कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग ले लूं इश्क का मर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग ले लूं इश्क का मर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग ले लूं इश्क का मर्ज क्या है तू कहे तो जान दे दूं कहने में हर्ज क्या है सौ तरह के रोग ले लूं इश्क का मर्ज क्या है
Ashley, who has been your favorite? Which group?
I'm going to say what I thought for each one. Bhangra Beats. Yeah, I thought you all were very, very good. Like your costume, really, really cool. Future Group. I loved your overall imaging, the way you imaged it. It was very well designed act. It was a spectacle to watch. And Confusion, you all were coming in with hardcore dance. So it's very hard to compare the three. But if I had to pick the balance of everything, I would probably go with the Bhangra Group. Okay?
Jigar,
I really liked Bangla Beats when it started. Then the girls really looked pretty when the circle happened, and it was a really good, image. Then came Confusion Crew. You guys were really good. I think I really love hardcore dancing because even when we did ABCD, I think we kept seeing this dance. You all were fabulous.
Sachin.
I'll also like to go with Oi Chak De Fatte Oi! I love your energy, guys. I love your energy. I also like the contrast because you guys were wearing ethnic and you guys were doing modern dance. I love that contrast. And you guys in the center, I love that smile. I love that energy, guys. And that was absolutely amazing. So great costumes for Future Group. And I love the peacock. I want to take you home with me.
Thank you and congratulations on such a great performance, guys.
Fashion Unlimited most stylish act of the season goes to Future Group from Future Group.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छुए थे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले धड़के ये दिल छन बोले अमृत सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
Ladies and gentlemen, our next group dance is our second act, and we have the groups of Suicide Squad from Wipro Limited, Pune, Rhythm Steppers of Capgemini India Private Limited, Mumbai, Salim and team from Capgemini India Private Limited, Bangalore. But before we move any further, let's take a look at the power play scores. 7.5, 7.57.
We never thought that we'll reach up to this level, CTC Grand Finale. As and when the audition round went off and our excitement level started increasing a lot, and there was something like boosting up inside that we want to win and we will prove ourselves this time.
तोड़ दे, फोड़ दे, सबको पीछे छोड़ दे. Suicide Squad, do or die.
CTC, we have been participating for 3 years now.
None of our team member has done contemporary before, so it was very difficult for everybody. मैं दूसरे कंटेस्टेंट को बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि वेट एंड वॉच. तो गणपति बप्पा.
सीटीसी ने हमें बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, प्लेटफॉर्म दिया ताकि हम अपना टैलेंट शोकेस कर सके।
जीतना है या नहीं जीतना है, we don't know, but first of all, we'll perform.
Stage is set and we gonna rock. Team, we gonna rock. Yo!
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चलेगा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
तेरा मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे, तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जायक जल जावे। कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी, कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी।
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना, येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना।
नक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नक नाच नक तेरा पन दूंगा नक। मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना फंसे बिना हाय फंसे बिना। ठनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो ठनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो ठनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक मैं तो ठनो जनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक। मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई फंसे बिना, मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई फंसे बिना, मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई फंसे बिना, मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई फंसे बिना। ये बात न मैंने मानी, क्यों इतनी खुश है दीवानी, तू मुझको ऐसी कहानी समझा दे समझा दे।
ये बात है सबने चाही, मिले जन्मों का हमरा ही, यह हुआ है कुछ ऐसा ही, समझे ना
अब मैं जाना कह रही हो क्या फसाना हो,
प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो।
हेलो हेलो डोंट माइंड मेरा ये कहना, ये लो जरा मेरे टच में रहना।
super nice. Now all I need to know is which group made our wonderful judges, their heartbeats go faster and beat faster. Ashley, who did it for you today?
For me, it's, I don't know, I think I'm going very ethnic today. It's like, for me, it's the Rhythm Steppers.
Thank you.
I think for me, it's a combination of the costume and also I think they were the most in sync, they were most in rhythm. For both these teams, fortunately, unfortunately, they're both going more into that international space in a little bit, and that's my space. And so if you move this way, I'm going to come on you like Tom, like that. So, but both were very good. Both were very good. But I prefer the Rhythm Steppers today. Thank you.
Congratulations. Jigar?
Chalo, let's go. Navratri together. All of us. Yes, for me too. I think Rhythm Steppers. The other two groups are fantastic, but they just had a certain vibe around them, which really, really worked. Also, when the guys made the circle and it looked really good. Thanks.
Come on, let's do it. 4, 3, 2, go. Baki badu tamari ked badi jai. All the way from Delhi to Gujarat. We are rocking it, boys and girls. Rhythm Steppers it is. All in all, great work, but Guju rocks.
Thank you so much. Guys, you guys were excellent. Congratulations to each and every one of you.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छुए थे दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले.
Now we move to the group dance act number 3. Gio and team from Sealed Air Mumbai, Priyadarshini and Apeksha from Mahindra Logistics Jaipur, and Rhythm Slaves from Cognizant Pune. It's anybody's game at this point in time, and your power play scores are here. Rhythm Slaves with a 9, Priyadarshini Apeksha at 7.5, and Joe and team Sealed Air Mumbai with 6.
CTC has been doing a good job. I have not come across a company who's doing this kind of event. It is a moment where we will never forget in our life again.
We might not win, but we can surely tell you we'll give you a tough competition.
Competition तो पक्का देंगे.
CTC में हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं तो डेफिनेटली कुछ तो करके जाना ही है.
CTC का प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, कुछ ड्रीम्स अब बनने स्टार्ट हो गए हम लोगों के माइंड में डांस को लेके. एक्चुअली हम 2 हैं
तो 2 दे देंगे.
CTC is basically a heaven for all of us. All we have to do is music, that's it. And music is something, you can say everything for us. Dance is everything for us. So kind of a makka for all of us right now. So it's fun, it's really fun.
What do we have to say? Rhythm Slaves in the house!
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना. यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
आँखों की चाबी से थोड़ा बेताबी से चुपके से खोले दिल के ताले, जाने दे उसको जहाँ देते अपना मान देते जिसकी भी बाहें गले में डाले।
दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना, यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना, एक बार होता है प्यार ये लाख बार कहला ले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Dhamakedar act, guys, and let's have the judges' comments, please. If you guys had to select one of these teams for an international dance contest, which one of these groups would it be? Ashley, we'll start with you.
If I had to, I'd probably be Rhythm Slaves. The reason for that would be probably they were the most professional on stage today. But I want Gio and team and Priyadarshini and Apeksha, please, I loved your spirit. You all came on there and you all danced with your hearts, and that was really, really nice to see. But for me, it is Rhythm Slaves. You all were just dance and strong, clean, well choreographed dance. Very, very good.
Thank you. Jigar.
I think I'm with Ashley on this. Rhythm Slaves for me too. Especially the last Chakke Chudade was big thumbs up. You guys are really good.
It is Rhythm Slaves. Amazing, guys. What energy, what choreography, what sync. Super professional. Priyadarshini and Apeksha, some more energy for sure. Joe and team, great choreography, great smiles out there, but it is Rhythm Slaves all the way.
Congratulations, guys. Really well done. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, we conclude this wonderful round 2.
NDTV 2-in-1 Act of the Season goes to Rhythm Slaves from Cognizant Pune and is presented by Papan Majumdar, Senior Vice President at NDTV.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this year we had different teams participating in the group theatre act, wherein each company sent their best acts on the theme of Take the Lead. This meant taking the lead anywhere, in your personal life, social life, or even your corporate life. And the best act was selected to perform here. And from Apollo Tyres, Chennai, where we have the artists Vimal Kumar, Prabeen, Natraj, Sarvanan, Maruthuraj, Devraj, Prashant, and Shrikant. Let me tell you about the theme. The theme of their act and their performance was the farmer suicides, and they did a fabulous job of a very sensitive topic.
passion, style, and the talent all rolled into one. That was the group dance category for you. After all those stunning performances by all the 9 teams, let's see who made it to the final decider round. And the finalists are Rhythm Slaves from Cognizant Pune and the Bhangra Beats from HCL Technologies Delhi.
As we proceed now into our final category of the decider group, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the group dances. First, we have with us the Rhythm Slaves from Mumbai.
What's going on? Are you ready for this one? We're about to go crazy with this show. RDB, Nidhi Cole, big up to my boy Buffy. We're about to mix it up like this. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on. Everybody go. Mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Come on, come on. Mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Everybody let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on.
अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। अब मिलके सारे ऐश करें, ये प्यार की दौलत कैश करें। मन में जो आए वो ही पाए, इस दिल की सुनते हम।
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on, come on, come on. Let's bounce with it. Let's bounce with it. Come on. Everybody go. Mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Yo, mix it up. Come on, come on.
Hold up, did I mention the status? Right now, homie, you dealing with the baddest. If it was up to me, I spread the love. VIP life up at all the clubs. You don't need no bassy, you always smooth. Stay cool, bypass the attitude. The fact that I love my life. I also love the fact that I'm living it right. Ask me how we flying on first class flight. Yeah, and how I'm rhyming it. Yeah, and how we living it. Flashing. Yo, RDB is smooth, it sound right.
All right, full energy performance, guys. Well done. But let's see what our judges have to say, whether they were impressed with you guys or not. It's time for Ashley to unleash his opinion.
I agree with Cyrus. There was energy. That was a really energetic performance. Great energy. I saw a semblance of Bhangra coming in there as well. Yeah, I saw that. You know you're coming up against Bhangra, so you put in Bhangra. No? Acha. Anyway, that was nice. It was really, really nice. I enjoyed the performance. Best of luck.
Thank you, Ashley. Jigar?
I loved it. I really, really loved it. I loved the energy. I loved the hip hop mixed with Bhangra. And I loved the smiling faces all out there.
Sachin?
I love it, guys. Super song, super energy, super choreography. And I think the lead, the one on extreme right, I think you've really got the charisma and you were driving the band with you. Super, guys.
Thank you so much. Now it's time for the scores. Ashley, how much do they get? 8. Congratulations. Sachin, 8 again. And this time the silent judge is Jigar. Your scores will be a secret. Congratulations, guys. So much good work, so much hard work. Congratulations. And get ready now for our second group dance act. Please welcome Bhangra Beats from HCL Technology, Delhi.
हवेलियां ने काली सलाह गला टकरे ते घेर मारना
What a joyous performance. Great act over there, ladies and gentlemen. Time to know what our judges think and did they impress our judges or not with their performance. Let's begin with Ashley.
I liked it, but I preferred your first act. Your first act had a lot more energy, and I think you all know it, yeah? You'll know it was much tighter, much more energetic. So you guys had a great time. Thank you. You made me smile on the inside. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashley. Jigar.
You know what was so special about the last one? That the song wasn't Punjabi. Here the song was also Punjabi, so I felt not so very special. And I saw more than a couple of mistakes, so you guys need to get it together now. But like how Ashley said, we all kept smiling, so that's great.
Sachin?
Well, I still could see the robust, Sher Dil Punjabi energy. Oh, chak de oi! You know, I like that. But like Jigar said, I think it became all too very predictable towards the end. But the energy, especially the third girl, amazing. So that energy was traveling the footlight. So chak de fatte hoye.
It's now time for the scores. Ashley, how much do they get for their performance? 7. Thank you. Sachin. 7. And for this round, as you know, Jigar's score will be a secret. Thank you guys so much. Please give them a round of applause for their beautiful performance.
The judges were indeed floored by both the group dance teams. But which team will take the trophy home this year? The Rhythm Slaves or the Bhangra Beats? And the winners are Rhythm Slaves of Cognizant Pune. It was a nerve-wracking moment for each of them. But in the end, jo jeeta, wahi CTC ka Sikandar.
It's speechless. We are totally speechless. We don't have any words to explain our feelings. It's been so awesome. The journey so far has been an amazing journey. We have never been through this part before. And we would like to thank our company, first of all our company for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. Then everyone back there in Pune from Rhythm Slaves, this is for you.
CTC has been dedicated to give impetus to employees' talent and engage them in a contest which brings out the best in them. And our sponsors are happy to associate with us. And here is our Season 5 winner, Amlan Chakravarti, receiving the key to his shiny new Datsun Ready Go.
It's an excellent experience. I just can't believe that I'm overall winner as well. So thank you very much, CTC, once again for providing me such kind of a platform where I could showcase what I am and my talent. Thank you.
This is the first time that we are associated with property, and I find that we have not done any mistake by associating with this property. Datsun is a Japanese brand, and we firmly believe that the brand is for the risers of today. And that was the very reason we had associated with Corporate Talent Championship.
Let's take a moment to thank our sponsors here. CTC 2016 was brought to you by Datsun as the title sponsor, powered by TVS Vigo, in association with Life Insurance Corporation of India, along with our fashion partner, Fashion Unlimited, prize partner, Zaggle, our broadcast partner, NDTV Prime, Work Hard, Play Hard, official radio partner, Radio City 91.1. A huge thank you to them. So until next season, it is goodbye from Team Engage for More, who brings to you the world's largest corporate talent championship. Coming up next, Brainbout Season 2, an initiative by Engage for More.
God
पिया के